Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host Intellect. Guys, this time we have got a package from Go Noise, and in this video, I'm just gonna show you what is there. This is one of their latest gadgets they have launched, and they have really nicely packed it. This is the bundle that we have got, and there's also a letter. Let me put the box to the side. It says we have been following your channels, blogs, articles since long, and it is nothing but a treat to watch and read. We are thrilled to be sending you Noise Play 2 for review. Looking forward. So let's just keep it to the side, and this is the Noise Play 2. This is the latest generation, second generation Noise Play action camera, and let me open this package for you and show you what has it got. This is how it looks. This is the Noise Play 2. It has a display on this side, a tripod screw on the bottom, which is good, unlike the GoPros which require special mounts to be held on a tripod. This one has a tripod screw directly on the body, and this is how the wide angle lens looks like. It has a mode button here, a recording button here, a screen here. All the ports are on the left hand side. You have TV, mic. It has HDMI, and this one is the micro SD card slot. The battery compartment is down here, and this is the battery. So 4.4 volt, 1200 milliampere hour. As mentioned on their website, this battery can support up to 130 minutes of recording, which is great from an action cam standard. It's a pretty good time. Let's see if this one has some charge in it. Yes, it does have some charge in it, and it starts with this swanky animation, and it's ready to shoot. As you can see, it's quite a wide angle. So this is my hand, this is the camera, and this is how wide angle it is. It's a pretty impressive field of view. You have LED indicators on top, on front, and it has multiple modes, and it says insert card. Right now I don't have a memory card placed in this. It has this touch screen interface. You have playback, photo and video controls. From top you can swipe for some settings. Let me keep this aside for the moment and show you what else is there. This is a Wi-Fi enabled action camera. You also get 4K video support, and here you have a quick start guide. You also get charging cable. This is a USB to mini USB kind of data cable plus charging cable. Let's have a look at the accessory bundle that we have got here. Here you have these sliding mounts, a waterproof case with which this camera can go up to 30 meters deep in water and still shoot. This looks very similar to that of a GoPro case. The opening mechanism is on the side, and it has similar sort of thumb screw mechanism. So looking at the mounts, it seems that if you already have some GoPro mounts, you can definitely reuse them to have some extra arms for extra flexibility. And here you have a cup sort of thing which looks like a lens cover for your action cam. So when you're not using it, just place it onto this, and it covers the lens. Let's have a look further in the box here. Here we have a bunch of extra accessories, which includes a bike mount. This one, you have adhesive strips for these mounts. So if you want to mount it on a helmet or something, then you have extra thumb screws and a couple of extra mounts. This one goes on the tripod, and this is another screw mount. So if you want to mount it on some tripod head, and on top of that you can mount the camera directly. So this is a really cool package and a very value for money package in a budget segment. So if you're looking for a budget action camera, you can definitely look at the Noise Play 2. It comes quite feature rich. I'm impressed with the kind of bundling and the quality this gadget offers at this impressively low price point. That's all we have on our first impressions and quick unboxing. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving some Best Buy links in the description section. And yes, if you want to win one of these, do leave some interesting comments in the comment section below. Share this video. We might end up giving away one of these. So make sure to leave a comment, like this video, share, subscribe, like. This is all we have on this one. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.